What's up, guys? Hey, I am on my way out to run a couple errands, a little bit. So I just want to do a little day in life with me. We are currently getting ready to head to therapy, and we're gonna stop and get some Starbucks first, and then later on today we are going to happy hour. So I'm hoping to bring y'all along with me for the day. So I'll catch y'all in a little bit. Why? Gizmo want to come outside. Gizmo been out in the house for a long time. And it's cup day at Starbucks. Okay, y'all, we just left therapy and I almost forgot I was doing this damn video. Left the camera in the car, but we had to come get a cup of groceries. My homegirl coming over tomorrow. We having a fish fry. When I tell you, sis can cook some motherfucking fish, baby. But yes, we are hitting up a couple of grocery stores to get some knickknacks, and I will show y'all to the next spot. All they need to see, my cord just broke. My strap.
You can't put it back in. They got the barbecue.
Did we like it? We got barbecue. We have no barbecue sauce. Huh?
All these damn bikes right here. It's a bike shop. They finna put another pop-up right here.
This the ping pong place. I don't think they took it down.
Hey, they got Christmas stuff up there. The pickleball place.
Pickleball, that's what I meant. That's what I'm saying. This was the pickleball place.
They got Christmas stuff up now.
Real stories with Hillsburg. I have the ring on.
They got all the spots over here. Syrup over here, Boulevard over here.
The financial wizard. It's that come. Hello, Brandon. Hey, how's it going, Joe? You know, when I was a kid, I used to watch Bozo, and it was
Making my way downtown, live beside me. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. And I need you. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. I want you. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. And now I wonder if I could walk into the sky. You know I walk 1,000 miles if I just see you tonight. So I just needed to share a little story time with y'all. So when I first got Gizmo, y'all know I took her outside with me for my birthday, and I'm in the car, like, we had went to brunch, happy hour, and then we went to this other thing. So I was lit all day. But baby, why I thought it was blinking its red lights, I got pissed. I thought the damn thing had died after only having it for an hour. Child didn't figure it out, so I put it up for the rest of the night. Child didn't figure out till the next day that the damn thing, that wasn't a battery light. That was the damn light to tell you that it's recording. So if it's blinking red, it's recording. Baby, I thought that was the battery dead light. I was so mad when I figured that out the next day. Because I was like, I got home and I was like, oh, this we have to take it back because the battery doesn't last. And I woke up the next day and I was like, it wasn't even dead. The more you know. What? Just pick a cabbage. Eat that one. You got jalapenos?
They over there, ain't they?
Gonna try this. Some hot wings. Watch it. What thermometer? You keep breaking them?
What?
The ones you keep breaking? And they got maple, caramel apple donut. Okay, which one should I try? Caramel apple donut. These. Oh, baby, stop playing. have to charge Gizmo before we come back out. Alright. We're on to the next spot. Otis likes to run errands in pieces. And he want to go to one store one day, one store one day. You get all that shit out the way, so you ain't got to keep coming back. Yeah, I really need to go in Bath and Body Works because they got the Fat 95 sale.
10 different million places.
You know what? You're right. I'm with you when you're right. Now we on the way to Wally World. Oh, there's my wood truck. I think it's just. Can I get a cart? You gonna carry it?
Yep.
Okay. So I'm trying to make this drink that I saw on TikTok or Facebook, Instagram, one of them things. Is blackberry wine, blackberry ginger ale, and black cherry whiskey. So I'm at the Walmart right now trying to find the ginger ale. So we got to see what I come up with. Okay, they didn't have what I wanted. I was looking for Stella blackberry, but they got Estrella, Starabella, whoever this is, we getting it. It's only $6.48. Alright, so now I am at Dollar Tree, my favorite store in the world. I need floss picks. What else does I need? So I've been thinking about getting the girls that precepted me just a little thank you gift. And I don't know if I should get them just like coffee gift cards or like a little self-care bag. I go back to work Monday, so that's when I was planning on giving it to them. So I had to come to the Dollar Tree because I make cheesecakes and I use these hands out of Dollar Tree for my cheesecakes because I make my crust from scratch, so I definitely needed these. I'm making 6 cheesecakes this year. Yeah, I think my family thinks that I'm goddamn Betty Crocker or something. If you've never had one of my cheesecakes, then yeah, you're missing out. I think that's all I needed out of Walmart. So yeah, we about to head home because we about to go to happy hour. I am back, you guys. We had to do a quick wardrobe change and get dressed for the evening. We are on our way to happy hour. Yes. Oh, yes. That's what Gizmo needed right there. You see it. Oh. Clock it, baby. Clock it. But anyway, we're on our way to happy hour. Sitting in traffic. Let me show y'all traffic. Hold on. Because traffic in Chicago goes crazy. We're actually headed to the burbs. We're headed to the burbs. To the burbs. Yeah.
My pleasure.
Thank you. Did you want appetizer shit or you gonna wait? Otis is being a hater. He made me put Gizmo up. You're not gonna speak to the people. I was trying to vlog on our little date night out. We are on our way to Cooper's Hawk. I can't tell y'all what my secret favorite Cooper's Hawk location is. Because every time people find out about shit, y'all mess it up. I need to learn to stop cursing on my videos if I'm trying to go mainstream, you know? So it just got heavy today. Oh, it's nobody in here, barely. Thank you. We made it through. We're having our tasting.
Yeah. Well, there's a whole arch of that. It took me a long time to figure it out. So I'll show you some ways. Okay. It's not easy.
I was doing camera share. So you can't introduce what it is when it is camera share. It tastes like it. Is it good? It's
Everything tastes right.
Cabernet Sauvignon. Luck.
Yes, we are.
No,
It's up the street.
it's like at least not even on the same.
Oh, it is. It is. It's straight down that street. Across the train tracks. Don't tell me. Who? We're on the way to get some chicken wings. Chicken wing, chicken wing. People be always asking me why I don't cook. My sister mainly be like, why I don't cook. And between Otis and my homegirl, I don't have to. I don't have to. Let me show y'all. When I tell y'all, sis can fry a mean piece of fucking fish. Don't play. Baby, we got the fish fry. We got some dirty rice, cabbage. Now me, I get down on the cocktails. I get down on the cocktails. I found some shit on TikTok, Instagram, one of them I'm about to make it. I'm honestly trying to convince both of them that we need to start selling plates and like get a food truck. And so I think we're gonna start this new series called, I don't know what I'm gonna call it, but my homegirl cooks and I make the drinks. Sound like a plan to me. Once a month, maybe I'll make a cheesecake every now and then. Oh, I gotta tell you, a cheesecake I'm making this year. Ooh. Oh, girl. Oh, girl. Squeeze. But yeah, we're gonna start this new series. My homegirl comes and cooks the meal and I make the cocktails. Do y'all see? Do you see it? Look at it. I'm just curious. I think you had a different experience than I did.
I have a different experience. What was wrong with it? The food was good. The service was good. What was wrong with it? It's like the first time. It's just like, That's why I like it so much.
What?
Because it was my first time at an all-inclusive.
And how much is that? What you say?
So with the $4 shot, it has to either be Howler Hut, which is a banana liqueur.
Okay, so we came to Brick House to watch the fight tonight. And we got some wings. And we got the Brick House Diablo and hot honey, just hot. So I'm about to taste. And I don't know which one this is, but they stick. That one. That's a good wing. I know they both are wings still. They brought this little cup of ranch. What is that? A little ranch on there. Okay, and this is the other one. And I put them on my plate and mix them up, so I don't know which one is which. So that's Brick House. Brick sauce. I'm gonna put a little ranch. So they gave us this sauce. I think this is sriracha ranch. Let me taste it. Yeah. I'll take the regular ranch. And then we got these deep fried deviled eggs. Do not play. Immediately, yes. Okay, my life in a day. I'm gonna put this in the sriracha ranch. The egg and the sriracha ranch.
Just say it. Just say it. You just can't help yourself. Just say it. Just say, I can't help myself. I gotta say something to him. Just say it. Say it. Say it in front of Gizmo in the verb. Shit.
We'll take two. Somebody's a little moody this afternoon.
No, post it. Shit. Post them, you fucking. Post.
I didn't even say that to you.
You should go straight.
I was trying to help you.
What was it? Don't I always go straight?
Hey guys, happy Sunday. We are heading out to a little Sunday fun day tailgating situation. We actually a little late. It started at 11:30. Did the game start already?
The game is probably at halftime by now.
Oh. There we have it. I gotta find a new strap for Gizmo. I found it. Found them the Good hurry. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Local 743, make some noise, y'all. Now, if y'all want the bands to win, make some noise. Oh, he one of them DJs. So look, check this out, y'all. Between now and this next play, I'm gonna be quiet because we gotta get this first down. So everybody be like, let's see.
See if they can hit the rush, the Packers. Looks like man-to-man coverage. 4th and 3, game on the line. Williams wants the
Did we get it? Y'all see it? Don't play. Alright, y'all. So that is a wrap for me and Gizmo this weekend. I will be posting this for y'all soon. I'm about to chill out, lay it down. I'm in the house for the rest of the week until the weekend. Well, a little bit, because I gotta go to work Monday through Wednesday. But I'm in the house until the weekend. I'll catch y'all next time.